Hi, today I wanted to talk to you about just getting started. And I mean it, just get started. I know that when we need to find clients, we become scared, we become fearful. We say, wow, I don't know enough information. Didn't you just do 16 plus years of schooling? I think you have enough information. The idea, though, is we don't want to put ourselves out there. We don't want to put ourselves out there because we're fearful. What if they don't like me? What if? The idea is it doesn't matter. The clients are hurting. They need our services. Have you looked around the world today? They need us. The idea is we have to put ourselves out there. They need to know, like, and trust us. If they can do that, then they can come and share their most intimate, most secrets with us. So that means that we as therapists must put ourselves out there. How do we do that? With blogs, with vlogs like this one. Or we go out and do some public speaking. We tell everybody that we do this job, that we love this job, that we have passion to help people. Because that's why you spent all that time in school, right? The idea is that we know things in our heads that other people don't know, that the general public doesn't know. We know how to have a conversation with our spouse when we really want to slap him in the head. We know how to have a conversation with our children when we don't understand what they're talking about. We get these things. You just have to put yourself out there. Learn to be okay with being uncomfortable. Just start doing something. It's not going to be good at first. That's okay. What I do sometimes isn't good either, but I'm putting myself out there. I want you to do the same. So just get started.